What's going on, folks, and welcome back to Beans to Greens. Today is season 1, episode 6 of our Seed to Smoke series, where we're growing Trainwrecks. If you haven't checked out the previous episodes, go ahead and check those out. I have them in a playlist for you guys for easy access. Today, the gals are 5 weeks into veg from when we put our seeds into the soil, and I just wanted to give you a quick update, show you how they're looking. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that camera, and we'll jump into the veg tent. All right, folks. Here are the girls. One on the left is the one that popped a little bit later than the one on the right. You could see height-wise, it's definitely catching up. It's pretty close. In another episode, I did some plant training. It was a little bit earlier this week. Keep your eye out for that. But a couple days ago, I ended up doing some training techniques. I mainly did some high-stress training on this one where I removed a bunch of leaves off of the plant. And the girl on the left did some low-stress training. You could see there's still a bunch of leaves tucked underneath a lot of nodes. As you can see, it's definitely bushing out here. This one is as well too on the right. If you look down here, I've got some plant ties, and the reason I did that is because I took all of these branches that were over another set of nodes and I pulled them out of the way, so that way they grow in between two different nodes here. And the idea behind that is now the sun, or the grow light, is going to be able to penetrate down to these nodes and they will start growing faster. So really what you're trying to do is eclipse, or try not to eclipse as many nodes as possible, and then that way they'll all start growing up higher and higher as well too. They're looking really healthy overall. They've been in these pots for now 2 weeks, in the 2.5 gallon pots. They've definitely acclimated very well, and now they are just starting to rip. Both these plants are crushing pretty good. It'll be exciting to see what happens over the next couple of weeks. I'll show you a little close-up of this plant, just to show you kind of what we did as far as the leaf tucking. You can see this leaf was tucked underneath this node here, and it's already grown out significantly. So you could definitely see how that works and the benefits of leaf tucking with all of these. So all these little branches, they'll end up catching up to the top, no doubt. You'll see it over the next couple weeks, but the plants are doing really well. No issues so far. Alright folks, that's it for today's video. Season 1, episode 6 of our Seed to Smoke series with the Trainwrecks. I hope you enjoyed the season so far. We got a couple more weeks of veg, and then we're going to be flipping these girls into flower. That's when the real fun starts. So keep growing along with me. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below. What kind of training are you guys doing with your gardens? Also, I would love to know what you guys have growing on in your gardens. Throw that in the comments as well. As always, please like, please subscribe, share with everybody that you know, and until next time, let's keep growing together.